Hi guys, Bella here. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make this Terrazzo chip trinket dish. If you like this video, please like and don't forget to subscribe. I upload new videos every week. I also upload YouTube shorts regularly, so have a look. Let me know what you think. To start, I crush up some Terrazzo chips using some leftover resin crate that I had poured into a lid from a previous project. It's a great way to make sure that there's no waste. I love crushing up the Terrazzo chips. I find it so satisfying. The next step is to add the water to the resin crate powder and give it a really good mix and make sure it's nice and smooth and there's no lumps. I added the crushed up chips and gave it a good stir. Once everything was mixed, I then poured it into the silicone mold. I wasn't sure if it would work out because the Terrazzo chips were pretty big this time, but it seemed to work out well. I just made sure that I squeezed the silicone mold to make sure that it would get into all the grooves. After 30 minutes, I was able to take the trinket dish out of the silicone mold, the most satisfying part. I used a 800 grit sandpaper and some water to wet sand down the trinket dish to clean up the edges. Sanding also helps bring out the Terrazzo chips a little bit more. Next time I do this dish, I'm going to make the pink darker. It got a little bit washed out. Resin crate dishes do take 24 hours to fully set after they've been demolded, so one thing I did notice is that as the day goes on, the colours do get darker. Once I was done wet sanding, I used a wet paper towel to wipe off some of the sandpaper gunk. I gave it a really good rinse under some running tap water. If you love this dish and want to see some more things that I make, head to my Etsy link, which you can find in the description. Thanks for watching.